Yo, what is up, guys? In this video, I'm gonna show you guys what is the best way to get for you guys to make passive income. I'm gonna show you guys 3 ways on how you guys could actually make passive income. And yeah, so before we get started with the video, I just want to give you guys a quick announcement. I'm actually gonna be doing a 30-day challenge on, trying to post every single day for 30 days. I already did that. I already posted yesterday and today. So today's I think June 25th. Yeah, it's on Friday, so I'm gonna be posting this video tomorrow on Saturday. So I'm gonna be doing a 30-day challenge to keep posting every single day about anything. So if you guys want me to do a video and about that topic, just comment down below. And yeah, guys, before we get started again, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also hit that like button and also hit that notification so you guys will know when I posted my videos. Alright, so without no further ado, let's get started. So the first one is actually, pretty easy how you guys can actually make passive income is by just investing in stocks or in crypto. Just investing, just put like $100 each month, and you guys will actually see it raise up or go down. But most of the time, if you guys do it the right way, if you guys think about it long term, it's actually gonna keep making money for you. Even when you invest in stocks, some of the stocks actually give you dividends. If you guys don't know what dividends is, it's basically they give you money for each share. You guys, there's a lot of apps that you can actually just buy. I only know of one is M1 Finance. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to check it out. That you guys can actually purchase fractures of the stock. And they still give you a good amount of money. If you guys just keep investing in it, it's basically just making your money grow. Use that as a savings account and think about it as a long-term investment. Don't just be putting money in there and this and that, because passive income, you guys want to make money while you sleep, and that's one of the best ways you guys can actually earn a lot of money, by doing that. Just invest in crypto, think about it long term, and also investing in the stock market. Second one is gonna be YouTube automations. A lot of people actually make a lot of money with YouTube automation. If you guys don't know what YouTube automation is, basically just posting YouTube videos and making money out of those by using other people's videos. You guys don't even have to show your face on how you guys could actually do YouTube automation. There's a lot of YouTube videos about how you guys could actually start your own YouTube channel just without showing your face. And is actually getting really popular. Here's an proof. I'm gonna put the image of how much this guy is making just by not showing his face, just by doing. A lot of people do TikTok videos, completion or whatever that's called. People to help people go to sleep. And a lot of people are actually getting a lot of views just by doing that. And it's pretty popular. Like I said, it's popular. It's getting popular right now. And if you guys want to get into that, go ahead. I have not made a video about that, but I'm thinking of doing a video on how you guys can actually get started with that. So that's why subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you guys could get notified if you guys want to know how to get started with YouTube automations. So yeah, and the third one is my most favorite, is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically just promoting other people's products and getting a commission out of it. You just basically, like, let me give you an example. If you go to a restaurant, and you like that restaurant, you're gonna tell your friends, oh, go to this restaurant, Yeah, but if the owner of that restaurant gives you a commission for every customer you bring into, that's basically like the way it is. Affiliate marketing, you promote products that you like. You can even promote products that you have at home. Like, let's say for this mic, for example, this mouse that you guys have, you know, whatever you guys have in your house, you can actually do that. You know, just start promoting products that you guys already have to get started with affiliate marketing. You know, here's one that will actually, here's an affiliate program that actually could get you guys started with affiliate marketing. It is Amazon Associates. You know, Amazon has everything you guys could think of, and you guys could actually promote the items that you guys already have at home. So that's pretty easy. If you guys want to get started with affiliate marketing, I do have a video on how you guys can get started. Even if you're a complete beginner, if you don't know what it is, and I go step by step for you guys. And yeah, but if you guys want to take it more, there is a 3-day challenge going on. If you guys want to get into that to get you started with affiliate marketing, if the YouTube video I put out doesn't really help you out, there's another one, another way you guys can actually get started with. You know, I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to get into that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, hit that like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, there's no excuses to actually make money with these 3 passive income ideas, like, you know, the invest in stocks and crypto. You guys can actually just keep using it as a savings account. Think about it long term, don't think about it short term with stocks and crypto, because, you know, you will, when you keep saving your money will keep growing on there. And also YouTube automations, that's a pretty good one. You don't even have to show your face using that. You know, a lot of people do make money with that. And also affiliate marketing, you know, affiliate marketing is the best way if you guys want to create an online business and you guys have zero money to put into it. Alright, so yeah guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys will know when I be posting my videos. So yeah guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.